Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to change fonts on Squarespace. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, navigate to any page on your website and click the Edit button. The editing window will open showing your actual page content. Once you're in the editor, look for the paintbrush icon in the top right corner of the page. It's right next to the screen size options. Click on that paintbrush icon and the Site Styles panel will open up, showing you options for themes, fonts, colors, and other design settings. Now click on Fonts in that Site Styles panel. You'll see the Fonts panel open showing font pack options, base size, and categories for headings, paragraphs, buttons, and miscellaneous. You'll see your current font pack displayed. Click the switch option shown there to see all available font packs. When you click that, categories will appear sans serif, serif, or mixed. Click into any category and browse through the options. Your content updates in real time as you click different font packs, so you can preview exactly how each one looks before committing. Once you find one you like, it automatically applies to headings, paragraphs, and more across your site. After you've selected your font pack, click Save at the top left to apply your changes. Your new fonts are now live on your site. One useful thing to know if you make a mistake or don't like how things turned out, you can go back to the Fonts menu and click Reset Font Pack at the bottom to undo all your font changes at once. It's also worth previewing your changes on both mobile and desktop to make sure the fonts look good on all devices. And there we go, font changes done on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. See you next time.